A very good afternoon to everyone. I welcome you all in today's IT training session. Today we'll learn about formatting of Google Sheet. What does formatting mean? Formatting refers to the appearance or presentation of your document. Or you can say formatting is layout. Generally, the formatting means the way your document looks and visually organized. It includes the font selection, font size, and presentation like bold or italics, spacing, margins, alignment, column indentation, and many more. So, let's see how to organize or make your Google Sheet more presentable. So the first thing that we want to do in formatting is font size and the font type. So for that, select your document. Press Ctrl plus A to select the whole document. Now choose the font style. Generally, we keep Times New Roman as a standard font type, and font size should be 11 or 12 for the whole document, and for heading part you can keep it 12 or 14. If you are keeping document size 10, so keep your heading 10, otherwise you can take it as 12 and 14. Now I am removing the extra columns and rows here. So for that I have selected all the columns, and by clicking on that drop down arrow I will select delete columns E to J. Click on that and your extra columns will be deleted. In the same way, I will remove all the extra columns from my document because I want to make my document look more presentable when I'll create the PDF. So for that, I'm removing all the extra rows and columns. Now you can see here, after increasing the font size, some of my text is not appearing properly in a cell. So for that, as we learned in our earlier session, we use text wrapping. We will wrap our text so that our text will fit in a particular cell. So for that, we click on Format menu, and from there click on text wrapping option and choose wrap. It will wrap the text of your whole document. As you can see here, it automatically fits the text in cells of your document. After changing font size and type, now it's time to set the border of the table. So for that, click on border option that appears on the toolbar, and then click on border of the whole table. You can also change the color of border. Now after setting the border, we'll change the alignment. Text alignment. Alignment means positioning of text, and we have two type of alignment. One is vertical alignment and another one is horizontal alignment. So firstly I am changing the vertical alignment and I am choosing middle. It will set the text in the center of the cell. After that, you can change the horizontal alignment and you can change it to the center. And if you don't want to make the whole text in the center, so for that just choose the row that in which you want to apply horizontal alignment. For example, here I just want to apply horizontal alignment on the header row. So I just select that row and apply horizontal alignment. Now, if you want to segregate the rows from other rows, for that you can insert a row and fill it with a color. So for that, click on the row where you want to insert and then right click and insert row above or below wherever you want to add it. After that, select that row and click on fill color option on the toolbar, and you can fill it with the color so that it will separate the rows from other rows. In the same way, you can add one more row if you want to add. Now to fill the color in the header row, For that, select your header row and click on fill color, and it will fill color in cells of the header row. In similar way, you can select any particular column or row to fill color to differentiate between the rows. Now, as you can see here, the height and width of all rows and column is not equal. So for that, click on top right corner and it will select the whole document, and then you just need to drag any of the row and it will set the same size of all rows. In similar way, just drag the column and it will set the same size of all columns. So in this way we can set the similar width and height of all rows and columns. Now we are done with the formatting, so we'll save it in PDF format. For that, click on download and you can save it in different format: Excel, PDF, ODS, anyone that you want. So I'm saving my file as a PDF. So I click on download PDF and then I'll click on portrait mode because I want it in a portrait mode. So I'll select portrait and then I'll export it. So it will save the file in the PDF format. In PDF format, you can't make changes after downloading. So if you want to make any change after downloading, for that you can save it in a Excel format so that you can make any change later on. So this is all about formatting of a Google Sheet. Thank you everyone. Please feel free to ask your queries.